on the Blue Lanny. As you know from the last video, it's
bone stock.
Bone stock besides from the rear springs. So today, what are you going to do?
We're going to take off the old exhaust system, the stock one. I've got a performance, is it Kappa exhaust?
It is, yeah, Kappa, yeah.
So Kappa exhaust, we're going to make it sound same as Jack's car. It's quiet, so we need to make it sound a little bit more beefy.
It's not bad for stock, is it really? But should we start yours up first? Yeah, great. We'll start with right there. Yeah, right there. Let's get to the back. Right, so that's stock. That's that one. Go take it off. This is mine. The blue gloves. Definitely tell difference there. Yeah. Yeah, definitely tell. You can definitely tell difference there. Yeah. So he's getting the same exhaust as mine. Mine needs to be pulled back a little bit. It's a bit too close there, like, but yeah. And his exhaust. So this is today's video. Right, this exhaust has got 40. Going on the Blue Lanny. Decent exhaust off eBay, about 80 quid. And what it does is this one here, basically on the stock exhaust, it's like a big massive black back box. With that, just a straight pipe, which you'll see in a minute when we get it off. We'll show you, but this is the exhaust. So we'll crack on, eh? Yeah. Now that the mid pipe is out, so what we did, we ended up cutting it because they're no longer bolts. So we ended up cutting it there to get that out. It came up pretty easy. So as you can see, like what I said before, so that just goes like that, and that's pretty much planking that out. So you can see there's a massive difference compared to size. So yeah, let's get on. Underneath, there you go. Just getting just about, but yeah, nice going through there. It's shiny. Mine was shiny.
Give it a couple of weeks.
But yeah, he'll be dirty. But go on, do it. Do you want to do a first start? Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, definitely, yeah, like, yeah. Nice. What are your thoughts?
Sounds a lot beefier.
Yeah.
That's what I was after. As soon as I drove yours, and it sounded like that.
Yeah.
I knew straight away I wanted mine.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I ordered the exhaust to put aboard the car.
No, it definitely does sound better. Like, probably in the next video, I've got a winch bumper going on, as well as a steering tray, diff guards.
Get them fitting next time.
Bit tipping at the moment, but getting it cleaned. So that's pretty much it on this fairly quick install. It's a quick install. It's literally just cut, undo 2 bolts, exhaust out, new one in. Not really fancy to it.
Easier if you have the RAM. did on
Yeah.
the floor, so you've done yours in the van, didn't you?
Yeah, I did mine on the lift. On the floor is a bit awkward, but it still can be done with no jacks. So, but yeah. So yeah, first of installs on this one.
First and many.
So yeah, Paul's just
I just realised. Good old man, Rover.
So right, we'll see you in the next one. So see you in a bit.
Thank you.